It's what we do. What I do. Look like we are doing a k20a3 build. My biggest concern with this block is after picking it up, it was frozen. But like I said, I actually bought an engine harness. The guy gave me the engine, so I really didn't have high hopes on this engine. But the spark plugs was out, had a lot of water in it. Even when I drained the oil, it's just full of water. No spark plugs. Like I say, the cylinders don't look too terribly bad, but you can see rust. But for the most part, the engine does turn over. Don't seem like it's no play in between the pistons when I turn the engine back and forward. So now I'm about to go price pistons because there's only like one company that make rods for this, and that's max speeding rods. So we'll pick up a set of max speeding rods and find a set of pistons. I did get this engine pretty much free. Once I sold my engine and gave them a bunch of stuff, they decided to give me this. Not sure what's all wrong with it, but it's a Z7, so it's a K24 Z7. I was wanting to put the head off the A3 on here, but it seemed more complicated than what I want to deal with right now. So this is going to be the power plant for the most part. We are going to, like I say, we can get 500, maybe 550. I'll be happy. So that is the goal, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Peace.